How to save a Python interactive session. I find myself frequently using Python's interpreter to work with databases, files, etc., basically a lot of manual formatting of semi-structured data. I don't properly save and clean up the useful bits as often as I would like. Is there a way to save my input into the shell, DB connections, variable assignments, little for loops and bits of logic, some history of the interactive session? If I use something like script, I get too much stout noise. I don't really need to pickle all the objects, though if there is a solution that does that, it would be okay. Ideally, I would just be left with a script that ran as the one I created interactively, and I could just delete the bits I didn't need. Is there a package that does this, or a DIY approach?
IPython is extremely useful if you like using interactive sessions. For example, for your use case there is the %save magic command. You just input %save my _useful_session 10 to 2023 to save input lines 10 to 20 and 23 to my _useful_session.py. To help with this, every line is prefixed by its number. Furthermore, the documentation states, this function uses the same syntax as %history for input ranges, then saves the lines to the file name you specify. This allows, for example, to reference older sessions, such as look at the videos on the presentation page to get a quick overview of the features.
From Andrew Jones's website, archived.
There is a way to do it. Store the file in .pstartup. And then set the environment variable Python startup in your shell, for example in .bashup. You can also add this to get autocomplete for free. Please note that this will only work on Linux systems, as Redline is only available on Unix platform.
If you are using IPython, you can save to a file all your previous commands using the magic function %history with the f parameter p.